Hi, to change always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we just need to go in the settings first and here select this lock screen and always on display tab. And now you can see that always on display is unavailable, so it is disabled here. This is all because of the enabled power saving mode. So now let's disable it. I'm gonna just swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and tap on the power saving to disable it. And now always on display is enabled, so we can tap it here, turn it on by tapping on the switcher. After that, select this show music information, and here you can go in the when to show and choose one of these several options. But as you can see here, we cannot change the always on display style. So to change it, just press and hold any free space on the screen, select the themes to open this Galaxy Themes app, and go in the always on display option. Here we can see non-free and free options. To check only free ones, we need to go in the top and from all select free. And now we can choose anything from the list. For example, let's select this one. I like how it looks. So let's download it, and now we can immediately apply it with clock and image or just image. I want to select clock and image, so let's tap the done button, and now the changes are applied. Let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone, and now let's see the always on display. And yes, here it is. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.